Getting started with Done. When logging into Done, you are automatically taken to your home screen, where you will see a summary of your day, as well as system updates and changes. We will start with Contacts. In the navigation bar on the left, click the Contacts icon. You will see your details on the contacts sheet. You can always find your profile by looking for a person with a crown. Open your profile, and you are presented with what your contact card looks like. As you can see, there is a lot of different information tabs. For now, we are just going to edit your profile by clicking on the Edit button. Once you have made changes, save the profile. To add a new contact, press on the plus button next to the search bar. An Add Contact form will now open. In this area, you can create a person, organization or team. We are going to create an organization. In this area, you can create a person, organization or team. We are going to create an organization. Enter some details and press the Add and Open button. The new record will now open on the right. Close the Add form by clicking the plus button again. Same as for your profile, you can now edit all the record's information. Let's change this record from a contact to a client. That's it for contacts for now. In the navigation, click on the Work button. When the work area loads, you are presented with a calendar showing 3 days back, and 7 days forward. To add a quick task to the calendar, click on the plus button over a chosen day. Describe the task, and set how long you want to spend on the task. Because we don't have any goals or projects, the Assign to Goal drop-down will be empty. Click on Add Task, and your task is created and added to the calendar. If you decide to work on the task on another day, just move it to the new day. Let's dig in and do some serious planning. Open the planner by clicking on the Plan button. When opened, you will see an empty window as you have not added any goals. The first button switches to goals. The plus button next to it lets you create a goal. Next button lets you switch to rogue tasks. Rogue tasks are tasks that don't belong to a goal or a project. If you switch to the rogue window, you will see the task we created earlier. Switch back to goals and click on the plus button next to the goals button. In the alert, name your goal and then click the Done button. Your goal is now created and on your list. Click on the Edit button in the goal listing to edit the goal. Let's change the goal color and assign it to a client. Take your time when creating a goal, and specify the why, expected outcome, and the worst case. It also helps to set a deadline. Save and close the goal. Add additional goals the same way. Create another goal. Open it and change the color and then save it. Let us add some projects to the goal. Expand the goal and then click on the plus sign in the listing. Name the project and click Done. Expand the new project, and add a new task using the plus in line with the task heading. Describe the task and click Done. To add more tasks, just repeat the process. You can reorder the tasks by dragging them around. To edit a task, just click on the Edit button. You can now edit the task details, add steps or notes. To add a task to the calendar, drag it to your chosen day. You can add the same task to the calendar several times. Edit the workflow in one task, and it will update all instances on the calendar. To remove an item from the calendar, click on the trash can and confirm the removal. You can also drag a project to the calendar, and if you expand it, you will see the top 5 tasks. The same thing applies to when you update a task in a project, it will update all calendar instances. To add a meeting, click on the handshake button and specify the meeting details. You can add attendees from your contacts. If the attendee is not in the contact list, add them in the selections window by clicking the plus button. As you make changes to a day, you will notice the figures at the bottom change. The system is currently set to the recommended safe 6 hours workday, which leaves time for unplanned eventualities. If you now return to the home screen, you will see that your day has been updated to reflect your calendar. From here you are also able to add more tasks and meetings. Want to plan a bit differently? The Tasks area gives you an old-fashioned view of your tasks. The Goals area is an expanded view of the planning view on the work calendar. If you prefer to work on the calendar, you can expand and contract the planner window when needed. That is it for the basics. Have fun getting things done.